I wrote this song for my father. Sometimes I feel he never gave a damn about me, though he raised me like he should. Did he understand me? No, I don't think so. I wrote this song for my mother. She had to leave me when I was younger. She said, so see this life and keep an open mind. But in my mind's eye, I'm free now, free to live without my fears. I believe now there's a reason why I'm here. It's to try to do good, it's to try to do better. Who will I be for my daughter? This little baby, she means the world to me, yeah. Will I relive their mistakes or do things the right way? For her sake, I'm free now, free to live without my fears. I believe now there's a reason why I'm here. Can I be a man, one that understands how to love more patient? I'll be free now, I'll be free now. And we dream of the day when our kids can play in the streets with no fear of them being taken away. Fathers raise their sons with respect and love, handle anger and pain with no need for no guns. If we hope to be free, it takes you and me to start over here and now. Whoa, 'cause this world is the way it is. It's how we raise our kids. I wrote the song for my mother. I wrote the song for our father. So hopefully we can come together and hopefully make things a little better. I'm free.